Hi everyone, we have just been to a beautiful canal-side cafe just outside of Nuneaton. We've been over there, we've had some lovely food, and that will be our next vlog. We've got our two daughters with us, the other one's in the car, but we've also got a new friend of the channel. Look what we've got, a drone, and I'm just about to send it over to where we've been to get some nice, hopefully, it's my first time, hopefully we'll get some nice aerial shots of where we've been. So make sure you're subscribed, got your notifications on, and give us a thumbs up if you like it, and let us know in the comments what you think to us incorporating a drone into our videos. Have I got everything? Is everything good? I think it is. Connection. Neo 2 with remote control. Take out, I'm just going to press the power button on. We're on. Now then, we just got to connect. Wait for it to connect. Keep aircraft. Aircraft not connected. Why not?
Have you turned it on at the drone?
No.
Right. That's probably step one.
It's on.
Right. Right. Hey, let's work.
Connect to aircraft. Right, here we go, we're in. Resetting gimbal. Connection successful.
Yay.
Switch it on, switch it on. Ready then? Right. Now what do we do? Press that, I think. Press that.
Why?
Yeah, that's it. Take off. Hey. Right, here we go. It's on me, look.
Yeah.
Right, so I need to send it before. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa.
Here we go, here we go.
Buzzing drone's got nothing to worry about.
Get up there, Mum. Here we go.
Right, I'm going to send it.
Nice.
I need to turn it round.
Yeah, don't panic, just slow and steady.
Strong wind warning.
It's all right.
Aircraft unable to return home automatically. Lower altitude immediately. Right. Bring it down a touch. Thing is, I'm going to need it. I'm going to need it up over there. Hey, up here's the swallows, look, come in. I'm going to need it high over there, though. Do you think it ain't too?
The warning. Read the warning, please.
Right.
Turn.
I need to turn it. No, actually, it's this wheel.
Yeah, you want to rotate, not turn. Yeah, so now it's looking down, look.
Oh no, that's
Watch the phone more than the drone.
Yeah.
Watch the phone because
What
the
does this
phone
do?
is showing you what to do.
That's the
looking
gimbal.
down.
That's the gimbal.
Yeah, so now to look across, how do you look across?
So I need it to.
So that's
I need to
moving
turn it.
across. So you want, that's not turning, that's driving. So
Yeah.
how do you turn it?
Here we go. Here we go. We've done
There
it.
we go. Nice.
We've done it.
Nice.
Right.
So now
Needs
you
to
want
go
to turn the
that way a
gimbal
bit.
upwards.
Yeah.
So now use the wheel. Yeah, nice.
No.
Wrong way.
That's it.
Hey, there you go.
Right, now we
Now
need
you
to
can
send it,
drive
but it
over.
needs to go higher than that.
Well, to be honest, I think if you...
Oh, oh. It needs to go right high to get a good spin on it. Right.
Okay.
There. Yeah.
Yeah.
And start.
Ew. How exciting. And that's it, it goes on its own.
Is it going? Strong wind warming. Why? Go on then.
It's moving.
No, it's moving.
It's going.
It's moving. It's moving. It's doing it.
Exciting.
Come on, I want a boat. I want a boat to just chug out of there right now.
You've got 2 boats here, look. Oh, that's so cool.
And it keeps that dead in the centre. Get away. Yeah, see it. There's home, look.
Oh, yeah.
And then you just press this home button, right?
Yeah.
And it will land right there without you doing anything.
Nice.
Are you calling it back?
In a minute.
It's coming. She got away.
I can hear it. Here it is.
Hey!
Oh, thank God. Oh. Here it is.
Hello.
Watch it now. It's going to land back right back where it was. Oh, come on, me babby.
Here it comes.
Here it is.
Amazing. Absolutely class.
Come on.
And it's coming down.
Come on, you.
Landing.
Can you see it, Lindsay?
Landing.
No. I'll wait for it to come down here.
Here it comes. Come on. Come on, then.
Hey!
Oh, quality.
You did it. Excellent.
Superb.
Well done.
There it
Press
goes.
record, didn't you?
Yeah. I hope so now.
Yay!
Get in.